What's good, man? It's your boy Peach TV, man. Today I'm back with another video for me. And today, man, we gonna ask girls for me, can I make you purr? So, I don't even know what it means, but it's blow material, so let's do it. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Alright, so I'm here with
Nelly.
Chloe.
Rate me on the 10.
8.
8.
A 6.
6. Man, 6 is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. What y'all think about light skins?
They're cool, I guess.
Better than dark skins, right?
No.
I don't know. I don't really care for y'all that much. Not that much.
Alright, bet,
Yeah.
bet. So I got a crazy question for you right here. Y'all ready? Can I make you purr?
No.
Y'all know what that means?
Yeah.
Why can't I make y'all purr?
I'm 16.
You 16?
16.
I'm 17.
Absolutely not.
You just can't. I'm sorry.
Alright, so I'm here with
My name's Relo Herbo.
Herbo. Okay. Where you from?
New York.
Yeah, but what borough? I'm from New York too.
The Bronx.
Bronx. Oh, okay. Alright, bet. So, read me one time.
A 6, 5, something like that.
A 6 or a 5. Okay. Alright, bet. So, what you think about light skins?
I like light skins. I like light skins.
Like light skins?
I like caramels too, but I like light skins.
Just not me though.
You alright.
Yeah, I'm alright. Alright, bet.
For a white girl.
White girl. Nigga said white girl. Alright, bet. So, I got a crazy question for you right here. You ready? Can I make you purr?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
You know what I mean by that?
Yes, I definitely do know what you mean by that. But like, I
Can't make you purr?
Nah.
Feel me? Just ran into a few supporters. Yo, let me get a year for the video. Yo, say subscribe to Peach TV.
Subscribe, you already know. Subscribe to PTV, bro. You already know.
I know the vibes. Get
Over here, you alright?
we got the game right.
We got beef flock over here, yo. And then we got blue flock over here. We got dark flock over here. And then we got bun flock over here, yo.
I don't know how I feel about your camera.
What you
Like a
shoot for a kid.
Alright, so I'm here with.
Nay.
Okay.
Where y'all from?
Boston.
Boston. Alright, bet. Cause not in New York. We don't fuck with Boston. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we Boston K. But rate me 1 to 10.
You?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gay, but I'm gonna rate you.
Don't volley my man.
You're giving 9.5.
9.5. What about you?
Give me an 8.5.
8.5. I like that. See, now I fuck with y'all. We not Boston K no more. Alright, so y'all ready for this crazy question right here? Y'all ready? Crazy question? Can I make you purr?
I'm out. Can you do what?
Can I make you purr? Like,
Ask her that. It's a no for me. But you can ask her.
I mean, how you gonna do it?
that energy though, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it though. I ain't gonna lie, you a little for me? Oh, you wanna say something?
Feel me? How you do it? Feel me?
That's the supporter.
You go spread them legs and I eat that coochie. Fuck is you talking about?
People out there, listen. You had an ex before, right? If that nigga never ate your ass, that nigga not rolling. That nigga is not rolling. Oh, your niggas eat your ass. For real. For real. Like, lick it up and down, spit in the butt. Listen, so I got a next question for you. Hold on. The size matter?
Yes, it does.
How many inches?
I need a good 7 to 9.
She said 17. Good, thank you.
Yeah. My son getting steady with the crackhead. You know she don't got storage, nigga. She got no storage.
She don't got no storage. Shorty has no storage.
Yo quiero popola.
Yo, why she started chasing niggas, bro? What the fuck?
Yeah, what are you at?
My head hurt, mama huevo, hijo de perra. My head hurt, bro. I don't know what the fuck
Like that, bro. Like a demon, bro.
Bro.
So, you for me, we was all dancing and all of a sudden, ¡esa mamá huevo! Cuando yo lo vea, esa hijo de perra, mamá huevo, yo te voy a matar, hijo de perra, no le pares, mamá huevo. I mean, bro,
But she started chasing us, right?
Bro, like she's sitting there, no storage at all. She gets up, does a little fucking dance.
Shorty started chasing us, bro.
Chapulín Colorado.
Chapulín right here, man.
Mira, usted
Síganlo, espérate.
El negro.
Put the camera on me, bro. Síganlo en las redes sociales, tu maldita madre, hijo de perra.
Chapulita, pues para que estén claros conmigo ustedes, los dominicanos, ustedes son casa cerrada, yo soy señorita Laura, más heavy.
Alright, so I'm here with.
Aaliyah. Shauna.
Alright, bet. So where y'all from?
Queens. Queens.
Alright, Queens. Yeah, I love my Queen famous. I ain't gonna lie. So rate me 1 to 10.
A 4.
4.
What'd he say?
Rate me 1 to 10.
5, 6.
5 or 6 is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I've been getting low ratings lately. But y'all ready for this crazy question right here, right?
Yeah.
Y'all ready? I'll make you purr.
No.
I can't make you purr.
No.
You know what I mean by that? So I can't make none of y'all purr. That's crazy. Yo, hold on. Can my son right here behind the camera right here get your IG?
No, I'm good.
Oh, y'all good?
I'm good.
They dubbed you, gang.
They dubbed me.
You scared me. Alright, bet. Rate me 1 to 10.
Like 8.5.
The same.
Alright, bet. So I got a crazy question for you. You all ready? Y'all ready?
Yes.
I don't think y'all ready. Can I make you purr?
Huh?
Can I make you purr?
Can you make me what?
Purr. Can I make you purr?
Aaliyah, what did he say? What did he say? I didn't hear you.
I can't make you purr?
Her?
Purr, like purr.
No.
What about my son right here? Can he make you purr?
No.
For me, hope y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all know the vibes, man. I'm looking dumb fly today. For me, I have to change up the style, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe. You know?
Hello, guys, man.
Listen, you know what's crazy?
His name is Light Skin Monte.
Yo. You already know the vibes. I'm in New York City.
Got my boy Peach over here, you heard?
You already know the vibes.
That's not peach.
We got this beanhead ass nigga right here, yo.
Hello.
Come over here.